When it comes to capturing stunning images that tell a story, having the right camera can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best cameras for photography, helping you navigate through the vast options available in today's market. Whether you're a beginner eager to dive into the world of photography or a seasoned pro seeking an upgrade, finding the perfect camera can elevate your creative vision and enhance your skills. Join us as we break down the key features, benefits, and options that will empower you to make an informed choice in your photographic journey. You can find all the product links in the description box below, and for a more in-depth analysis, please visit our website at yourpicked.com. If this is your first time here, please show some love by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button with the bell icon to get notified of our latest updates. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Sigma 18-35mm. Capture stunning moments with the Sigma 18-35mm F1.8 Art HSM lens for Canon. This lens stands out in its class with an impressive f1.8 maximum aperture, allowing you to snap striking images in low light. You'll appreciate the versatility of the focal length, perfect for everything from sweeping landscapes to tight portraits. One major advantage is its ring-type ultrasonic autofocus motor. This feature provides quick and silent focusing, making it ideal for video shooting or capturing candid moments. Additionally, full-time manual focusing gives you precision control over your shots, ensuring you can always fine-tune your focus when needed. Another benefit includes its minimum focusing distance of just 28 centimeters, enabling a beautiful bokeh effect. Capture intricate details effortlessly, drawing attention to your subject in a mesmerizing way. Its compatibility with the USB dock and MC11 means you can keep your lens updated with the latest firmware and expand functionality using adapters. While the lens weighs more than some competitors, this slight increase in heft translates to build quality. You get a sturdy construction that can withstand the rigors of regular use. Some photographers may wish it had a weather-sealed design, yet the lens feels durable enough for everyday shoots. What I love most about this Sigma lens is its ability to produce sharp images with vibrant colors. Comparatively, it often outperforms similar models in this price range, making it a fantastic choice for both amateurs and professionals. Explore the possibilities with the Sigma 18-35mm f1.8 Art HSM lens today. Number 4. OM SYSTEM OLYMPUS OM-5. Looking for a top-notch camera that excels in any environment? Meet the OM SYSTEM OLYMPUS OM-5. This Micro Four Thirds system camera delivers incredible features tailored for both enthusiasts and professionals. First off, the new 20-megapixel 4/3 live MOS sensor shines in various lighting conditions. With its ability to capture vibrant, detailed images, you'll notice an upgrade in your photography. Computational photography functions like handheld high-res shot allow you to snap stunning, high-resolution photos without requiring a tripod, which is ideal for on-the-go adventurers. Live ND and focus stacking expand your creativity, while HDR shooting ensures dynamic range captures on those bright days. Focusing is swift and precise thanks to the cross-quad pixel AF. With a whopping 1,053 focus points, you'll never miss a moment, whether shooting fast-moving subjects or landscapes. This level of accuracy makes the OM-5 stand out compared to others in its class. You'll appreciate the weather-sealed design, rated IP53. Dustproof, splashproof, and freeze-proof performance down to -10 degrees Celsius empowers outdoor photography without the worry of damaging your gear. Take it on rigorous hikes or rainy days, and the camera will hold up excellently. However, some users might find the menu system a bit complex at first. It takes time to learn all its functionalities, but mastering it is rewarding in the long run. What I adore most about the OM-5 is its blend of advanced technology with user-friendly design. It feels intuitive in hand, making it a pleasure to use. For anyone serious about photography, exploring this camera is a must. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your photography game. Number 3. Panasonic LUMIX S5. Looking for a versatile camera? Panasonic LUMIX S5 is your answer. This full-frame mirrorless camera excels in both still photography and cinematic video production, From the moment you start using it, creativity flows. First, its 4K 60p video recording capability stands out, creates stunning visuals with rich details. The FHD 180 FPS slow motion option is a fantastic addition. Imagine capturing action-packed moments with clarity and fluidity. This feature makes your videos pop, putting you ahead of your game. Navigating the world of photography becomes easier with the LUMIX S5's 96-megapixel high-resolution mode. This advanced capability captures incredible detail, giving your images professional quality. Dual native ISO technology allows you to shoot in low-light environments without significant noise. It's a game changer for nighttime or indoor photography. Impressive autofocus ensures that your subjects are perfectly in focus every time. You'll appreciate the head, eye, and face detection features when photographing people. This precision makes a significant difference, especially in portrait work. Coupled with 5-axis dual IS2, you can push the boundaries of shutter speeds up to 6.5 stops slower without compromising sharpness. Additional features like Live View Composite Mode provide endless creative opportunities. Instantly create striking images from multiple shots, excellent for fireworks or starry nights. While the compact design makes it easy to carry, some might wish for a bit more weight for stability. Nonetheless, this lightweight nature increases portability without sacrificing quality. In conclusion, the Panasonic LUMIX S5 truly shines among competitors. It's perfect for enthusiasts and experts alike, thanks to its innovative features and design. Dive into your creative journey and discover what LUMIX S5 can do for you. Check the link in the description box below for a more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stay tuned until the end so you get everything. Number 2. Canon EOS R7. Ready to elevate your photography game? The Canon EOS R7 mirrorless camera stands out as a premier choice for sports, action, and content creators. With its 32.5-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, this model captures stunning, crisp images that bring your visuals to life. Equipped with the Digic X image processor, you'll notice an impressive boost in performance. This processor guarantees sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos, making it ideal for both vlogging and professional shoots. High-speed continuous shooting is another remarkable feature. It offers mechanical shutter speeds of up to 15 frames per second, capturing even the fastest moving subjects clearly. Whether you track wildlife or shoot sports events, you'll seldom miss a moment. Image stability can make or break your shots. Canon's 5-axis stabilization provides 7 stops of shake correction, ensuring every shot looks smooth, even in hectic environments. This is particularly beneficial for action-packed scenarios. Recording over 30 minutes of uninterrupted video is fantastic for longer events or vlogs. You can focus on capturing quality content without worrying about stopping the camera frequently. Plus, the Canon LPE 6NH battery pack keeps you powered up and ready to shoot, allowing for easy recharging via USB. What truly impresses is the vibrant LED screen. Its anti-smudge coating helps you view images with clarity, a feature that often gets overlooked but enhances usability. While its compact design is a huge plus for travel, some might find it slightly lightweight for their preferences. Yet, this only emphasizes the portability and comfort while carrying it around. Starting a creative journey with the EOS R7 guarantees impressive results. Explore this remarkable camera to elevate your content creation. Number 1. Panasonic LUMIX. Capture stunning moments effortlessly with the Panasonic LUMIX S5II mirrorless camera. This powerhouse stands out for its 24.2-megapixel full-frame sensor and advanced capabilities. One of the highlights is its phase hybrid autofocus. You'll love how quickly it locks onto subjects, even in tricky lighting. This feature elevates your photography, especially when shooting fast-moving objects. You can confidently track and capture those fleeting moments without losing focus. Powerful image stabilization makes this camera a choice pick for videographers. Thanks to LUMIX's Active IS, shaky footage becomes a thing of the past. It supports walking shots finely, giving your videos a professional touch. Smooth, stable footage brings your creative vision to life, offering impressive results. Expressive video functionality is another gem. With 14+ stops of V-Log V-Gamut capture, shooting in various lighting conditions becomes easier than ever. In-camera color grading enhances your workflow significantly. Being able to edit in real time eliminates the need for complex post-production tasks. Limitless video recording is a dream come true for serious filmmakers. The innovative heat dispersion mechanism ensures you can shoot without interruptions. It keeps the compact camera cool even during extended sessions. On a minor note, the compact design might feel a bit too small for users who prefer a more substantial grip. However, once you start using it, the lightweight feel quickly becomes an advantage, especially during long shoots. What stands out most is how this camera combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. It's a versatile option for anyone looking to elevate their photography and videography game. Dive deeper into this fantastic camera and see what it can do for your creative journey. Check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date on all the products mentioned in this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.